Cwm Idwal National Nature Reserve, a place famous for its geology and glacial past. But beyond the rocks and stone, there is also life in Cwm Idwal. Cwm Idwal awakens from its winter slumber in early spring. Rare Arctic alpine plants have survived here since the last ice age. The purple saxifrage flowers first, throwing colour onto the hillside. Other Arctic alpines follow. Eryri's iconic Snowdon lily is found nowhere else in the British Isles. Woodland species also appear: wood sorrel, lesser celandine and wood anemone, all hinting at Cwm Idwal's wooded past. In spring, birds return from the nesting season. Meadow pipits can often be seen performing their display flight, singing high up in the sky before parachuting back down to their hiding place. Others, such as the ring ouzel and wheatear, arrive later after a long journey from Africa. By summer, the Cwm is full of life. Stone chats can be seen perching on top of rocks and shrubs, their call sounding distinctly like two pebbles being hit together. In wetter areas, bog asphodel and cotton grasses add colour, and insects fall prey to carnivorous plants like sundew and butterwort. Schools of minnows gather in the shallows of Cwm Idwal, while trout are also found in the lake. Plants such as owlwort and water lobelia thrive in the lake's nutrient-poor waters. Cwm Idwal is an internationally protected site. That is why people are asked not to swim here, to care for this fragile habitat. The exclusion of grazing in Cwm Idwal has allowed the heath to flourish. Ling and bell heather flower in late summer, turning the slopes into a mix of pink and purple. Bilberries grow amongst the heather and attract the rare bilberry bumblebee. As autumn arrives, Cwm Idwal changes from a sea of green and purple to a wonderful mix of brown and orange. Many bird species will begin their journey back to their wintering spots, either down to the lowlands or travel thousands of miles south. Cwm Idwal is a harsh environment in winter. Fierce winds and high rainfall prevail. When the temperature drops, the Cwm can be covered in snow, and even the cliffs and lakes can freeze. But spring is always around the corner to bring colour and life back into the Cwm.